Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using Ubuntu 24.04 and want to install Zoom for meetings, classes, or remote work, this video will show you the fastest and safest way to get it running using the terminal. Let's jump right in. Before installing anything, it's always good practice to update your system so you avoid package errors. We'll download the official Zoom installer directly from Zoom servers using wget. Once the download is complete, we can install Zoom using dpkg. If Zoom fails to install properly because some required packages were missing, this command downloads and installs them automatically. Try installing Zoom again. All right, Zoom is now installed. To start it, open your app menu and search for Zoom, click it, sign into your account, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want tutorials on other Ubuntu apps. See you in the next video.